here to show my husband, Tim Reid, the greatest cook in the kitchen, how to make holiday cookies like you've never seen them before. Welcome back one of our favorite guests, the Bean Gourmet, Tom.
Oh, no, not the bean.
Good to see you.
Bean claws.
Yes, well, Tim, you know, you asked me a long time ago. He took me aside, Dad, and he said, Tom, I want a special treat for the holidays, something to surprise my wife. Now, I know it's not much of a surprise with you being here right now, but you won't believe what I'm going to teach him today. We're going to make great. Oh, I can't tell you. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. I'll go away.
Yes, you go away. And I'll tell everyone else what it is.
Try to keep it so I don't have to clean up until New Year's.
Oh, no problem. We're very clean. We're very clean. All right,
take
now,
that, dear.
the first thing we got, we got a little wardrobe problem here. Yes.
I brought Santa Claus.
Oh, great. You'll be Santa. Oh, look. Oh, that's great. And I'll be your elf.
Well,
how's that?
Don't push it with the beans.
Okay. Well, these are our kidney bean holiday cookies. This
kidney
is the
beans
big
for Christmas.
Surprise. Absolutely.
Whoa,
you get soluble fiber even though you're eating cookies. So
yes.
At least you don't have to feel guilty during the holidays.
We're going to put beans in the cookies?
Yes, yes.
You always surprise me.
No, I know. But this is great because this is especially for you, Tim. Really.
Bean cookies.
Really.
A dessert.
It's
I thought
a
you were
dessert.
going to make like a bean pie.
No, but I hear you've been hoarding little miniature bean pies around your house.
Hey, yes. Thank God for the Muslims, man. They know how to make them bean pies.
Okay, the first thing we do, we take a cup of kidney beans. Now, why kidney beans, you're probably going to think? Well, I'll tell you why. They're red. They're a beautiful holiday color. Look at that.
Yes, just for the color.
Yes, just for the color. Yes. They're a little browner in Baltimore for some reason, but I don't know why. But look, we take our rolling mincer, and you mince those. Go ahead and mince those, Tim. I love how you.
This is a cute little deal here.
It's called the rolling mincer.
Like something you would see with the Jetsons.
Just mince those. That's great.
Mince them up
mince them up. Perfect. Mince up. Go a little more.
I've never used these things until you come on the show. I mean, I would never go in a store and say, "Give me one of those things that cuts up beans."
Well, that's why I'm here, Tim.
All right.
All right. So now those are all minced up. We can go on and make our beautiful cookie dough. Okay. Beautiful. Thank you very much.
Did I mince well?
You minced great. You minced great.
Let's not mince words.
No, now you step right over here.
I step over here, out of the way.
Absolutely.
All right.
Now, you hold on to this, okay, and we're going to make our dough. You take 1½ cups of flour.
1½ cups of flour.
Put it right in there. That's great. Okay. It's all in there. All right. You take 1 cup of sugar.
Ooh, a lot of sugar.
Start mixing. Start mixing.
Oh, mixing.
That's great. Yes. 1 cup of sugar, and you use cream cheese. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Yes. This is like the old refrigerator.
That's hard to mix now.
See,
how do we just...
No, it shouldn't be too hard. It should be softened, don't forget. And that's a ½ cup of butter. Now mix that up, stir it around.
I'm trying.
We'll stir it around.
Give me this little wooden thing. I need like a bulldozer or something.
Well, I don't have a bulldozer, but I'll tell you, let's use God's utensils. Our hands, okay? And we just, yes, really, mix them up, come on, that's
You've made God happy.
Thank you. Now, we're gonna put our beans in there too.
Yes,
okay?
thank
Just
you.
Mix them up, mix them right.
Now I am happy.
Okay, let's keep some in the bowl.
Let's keep some in the bowl.
Right, now, mix them up great, okay?
Yes.
That's really good. Can you see how that's congealing, everyone?
Congealing? Ooh,
yes.
I like those cooking
that's
terms.
Great. You know, you should have kind of rolled those.
Yeah, now you tell me. You just plunge my hands into this and tell me, oh, you should have rolled your sleeve.
Well, this is a good exercise for those little wimpy arms that you don't want to show off. No, come on. Okay, now, what you need to do... Oh, this is...
Maybe you like to have some uncooked?
No, you have beautiful arms.
Yes,
now,
thank you so much.
Nice. Okay, now what you do is...
Man,
you
spend too much time with beans.
No. Okay. Now, look at this. It's all mixed, and the kids can have so much fun making this.
Oh, this is definitely something that children should.
Oh, really? Now, what you want to do is you want to divide this mixture into 4 balls, okay?
4 balls.
So I'll make 2, and you make 2 balls.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
You divide it evenly up, okay?
Evenly up.
Yes, okay. Now, we don't have... That's great. It's great. I know it's a little tough, but you get the idea of, you know, just make a ball. It's
just make a ball.
A circle.
All right, we got that. Now what?
Now, give me your ball. Give me your ball. Hold that ball.
I'll take your ball.
I'm going to take Saran wrap.
All right, Saran wrap.
What you want to do is you want to wrap your balls in Saran wrap, and you simply put them in there. No, you do because you want to. No, because this has to go in the.
Sure, I'm not.
Yes, it has to go in the refrigerator.
This is your recipe.
Yes. Now wrap the other one. Well, anyway, we don't have to wrap 2 of them, but you get the idea.
Yeah.
So you wrap your balls in the Saran wrap, then put them in the refrigerator to harden. Because what they do is, no, that's what makes it roll out easier. You have to. That's what the reason to put in the refrigerator.
Move on, Tom. Crying out loud. It'll be Easter before we finish this thing.
Next thing you do, I'm sorry. Next thing you do is you take your frozen dough. You lay it on this beautiful thing. God, it's a beautiful piece of marble here. It's like an altar for us. And we simply... Now, yes, before we roll that out, use flour.
Use flour.
Flour on marble, it'll make it roll out real evenly.
Nice.
Yes. Now put your... And flatten it just a second. And then you take your rolling pin. I asked for a rolling pin. They gave me a stick. Anyway.
It's a low budget show. You want a rolling pin? You go on Oprah.
Okay, now you roll. You roll. Just roll out smoothly.
Roll.
Okay. Toward the tree.
Dumb tree in the way.
I'm sorry.
All right, now let's go.
There's never enough room with you. Tim, it's not a steamroller. Tim, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, now, let's say it's rolled out. The problem with this is we needed to put a little on this, okay?
Oh, now you tell me, like I forgot.
No, but now watch this. I know. Okay, I did too. Okay. Now look how that's rolled out. Now you simply take your cutouts, and we've got beautiful. Look at this. What is
doggy.
that?
That's a doggy.
No, that's a reindeer. that's right.
Poor little doggy.
Okay, now you take this. You get rid of the stick, and you put your doggy, your reindeer. Yes.
Your reindeer doggy.
Cut that out. Yes. All right.
Oh, now it does look like a reindeer.
Yes. Show them what that looks like when it comes out.
You know, I never did this as a kid.
Oh, you should.
Well, we were poor. Don't talk about my family.
Right, I'm sorry. Hand me this cookie sheet here. Okay. And you just go like that and poke out that reindeer. And look at the reindeer just saw. No. He lost a leg. We're putting it back on, Rudolph. Okay, it's no big deal. Now, how about a star? You're a star.
Yes.
Let's make a star. You just simply cut out a star. And
we're all a star.
And then it just... There's the star. Okay, now you just take a little bit of
you know, have you tried aspirin?
You're hurting me. Okay. Now, a little bit of that, right? And you simply put them in. Go ahead, put these in the oven for about...
We don't have an oven.
You don't have...
No.
Maybe it's behind the...
That's what's wrong with it. We don't have an oven.
Okay.
So pretend this is an oven.
6 minutes, okay? In the oven until they come out like this.
Yes.
Look at this.
Bean cookies.
Aren't they great?
Now, let me taste one of these.
Taste them. Aren't they great?
Okay.
They're very sweet.
Taste one.
Just a second.
What?
Oh, how cute. Hey.
Ho, ho, ho.
Like a copy of this recipe.
And who won?
Please want one. Send a self-addressed envelope to Tim's Holidays Cookies on Tim and Daphne, care of WMAR-TV, 6400 York Road, Baltimore, Maryland, 21212. Ho, ho, ho.
Happy holidays.
Jingle bell. All the way. Oh, what fun it is. The storm. You know,